I'm making tomato feta with zucchini spirals. Just adding some tomatoes on the cast iron and putting some olive oil. Let's put it around, and then we're going to put some garlic, fresh garlic, and some pepper, and then some Himalayan pink salt. And for the feta, I'm just going to use this Trader Joe's is already seasoned feta. You have some more flavor. You can put a big block like in the TikTok challenge, but I'm gonna do it with what I have. I'm gonna put some oregano and then put on the oven for 350 for 30 minutes. And just put the whole pan there and set the timer for 30 minutes. And for the zucchini spirals, making it with this instead of pasta, so make it some more keto friendly. I'm just gonna put these ones on the microwave and defrost them and chop some basil. After 30 minutes, it's already done, and I'm just going to, with a wooden spoon, mash up the feta cheese so it could be melted. And I'm going to add the spirals that I already took all the water out of it, and just add it to the same pan. And I'm going to mix it, all of it. And I'm going to add the fresh chopped basil to it. And that's pretty much that's it. It's very easy to make and very fast. Enjoy.